Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're back with our series of Pro Tools video tutorials, and we're going to be learning how to use the function included in Pro Tools, which is called Play MIDI Notes when editing. So the Play MIDI Notes when editing function is one of those options or functions that you can find on your main counter window right to the end on the right side of the counter, and you'll be able to see this if you have a MIDI or an instrument track in your timeline. Okay, so basically you can see it looks like a little speaker. I guess it's like a little logo, an icon of a speaker next to a small teeny little MIDI port. So if you click on it, you just enable that function. So that'll let you play notes or MIDI notes when editing. If that's off, if you're editing and you move notes around and you touch them, they won't play back unless you actually play back the material. So let's give it a shot just so you understand. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. And I have a piano track here. I'll double click on that MIDI clip so that we can open the MIDI editor. And here's the editor. So check what's up. Right now that function is on, right? We have it on here. Okay, so if we go ahead and just click on one of the notes, check what happens. Plays back. So if I click on it and drag it, I can hear how would that note sound if it happened that I put it in that other location. Okay. So if you're you're trying to find the right note, like no, it's not here. Well, I'll just drag it up until I find the right note. Well, that's going to be very useful, right? Now, if we turn that off, so I'll go ahead and close that MIDI editor. I'll turn that off, and I'll reopen that MIDI editor by double-clicking on the MIDI clip. Now, if I click on the note, I can drag it and move it around, and really nothing happens. If I want to listen to how this sounds, I would have to literally play back, right, the material. So if I happen that I move this, I had to, move it and then play back just to see how it'll sound. So, my recommendation, if you can leave it on, that's going to be really helpful for you. So that's the Play MIDI Notes when editing option from Pro Tools. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA PC Audio Labs, and we're going to be happy to help you. We will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.